Why does it always happen to me?
Dodger the dog.
Hey, I bet I know where you hid my dynamite.
Be sure to stay tuned for more great fun with Winnie the Pooh.
Dodger! Dodger the dog!
Pooh Bear, Winnie the Pooh Bear, wherever you go, oh, won't you take me, please, Pooh Bear, I gotta be there. It's me and it's you, a silly old Winnie the Pooh.
I survive.
La da la da dee ba ba. Ooh, that's beautiful. Sing along, hi ho. Oh, I'm trying to find the right note here because we got a lot of other sing-along songs to sing along with. Hi ho. Oh no. See here. Hi ho.
Jonah, I bet you
there
did.
it is.
I owe, it's up to a bingo.
Those little guys is so cute.
Hi ho, hi ho, hi ho, hi ho, hi ho, home where we go.
And we got zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay.
My, oh my, what a wonderful day.
And then you can fly, or better still, sing with Peter Pan and the Wendy person.
And bid your fears goodbye. You can fly, you can fly, you can fly, you can fly, you can fly.
And look for the bare necessities, those cookie bare necessities.
Forget about your worries and your strife. I mean the bare necessities are Mother Nature's recipes that bring the bare necessities of life.
And there's fun with Ludwig? No, I mean fun with music. And with that Dodger from Oliver and Company, you got nothing to worry about.
Why should I worry? Why should I hurt? Yes, just be my relation. I got sleep inside my brain.
Dodger the dog.
We can also sing along under the sea, you know the wet places.
Darling, it's bitter down where it's wetter. Take it from me.
What else you got there? Oh, Disneyland fun. I gonna have a lot of fun singing on Disneyland, because, you know, Disneyland's a good place to have fun.
We love to laugh.
And then there's I Love to Laugh. Actually, I love to laugh. You love to laugh. We all love to laugh. Everybody loves to laugh and sing about it and whatever. And from Beauty and the Beast, we can all sing along with the pots and the teacups and the vases. Everything but the kitchen sink in Be Our Guest. And you ain't never had a friend like this one. He's that big blue cookie fella. It's the very friendly genie from Aladdin. And he's got some wishes to grant in a friend like me. Now you at home, yes, you can join in the fun, sing, dance, and play along to your favorite Disney song.
Oh!
Where the heck you run?
This is the story about a group of kids who volunteered.
Do something nice for someone. We fix stuff. Did some art projects with the kids. We fixed up his house. He worked in the woods. Cleaned up the park. Did something for the planet. We just did it. No other reason. And you know what? It was good.
At first, they didn't know each other.
Well, that didn't last long. This guy is really funny. These things are making a friend.
Are you into it? Call 4-H or check out our website at areyouintoit.com.
still here with me.
I love you. Come here, sugar daddy. Are you young? Please don't run away.
I did not run away from you. Body of 5. Wednesdays at 9, 8 Central on Fox. This is the story about a group of kids who volunteered.
Did something nice for someone. We fixed stuff. Did some art projects with the kids. We fixed up his house. We worked in the woods. They went to park. Did something for Friday. We just did it. No other reason. You know what? It was play.
At first, they didn't know each other.
Well, that didn't last long. This child is really funny.
Too Fast and 4.